Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad in Stardew Valley. To begin, you'll need 3 specific ingredients: a melon, an apricot, and a blueberry. These items are essential for crafting this valuable dish. We'll cover where to find each one and the necessary steps to combine them into a delightful meal. Get ready to boost your energy and health. Gathering your ingredients is straightforward. Melons and blueberries are both summer crops, grown from seeds purchased at Pierre's General Store or Joja Mart. Plant them in your farm soil during the summer months. Apricots come from apricot trees, which take a season to mature after planting a sapling. Once mature, they produce fruit daily during spring. Once you have all 3 fruits, head to your farmhouse kitchen or use a portable cookout kit. Make sure the melon, apricot, and blueberry are in your inventory. You'll need to have reached farming level 9 to automatically learn the fruit salad recipe. Simply interact with your cooking source, select the recipe, and craft your refreshing dish. Fruit salad offers fantastic benefits. It restores 200 energy and 90 health points, making it perfect for long days of farming or mining. You can also sell it for 450 gold coins, providing a nice income boost. Plus, it's a universally liked gift by most villagers, making it ideal for building friendships. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.